So this is Cole's fridge. He has
little chocolates.
some Hershey's Kisses. I'm gonna take one. This goes in my pocket.
Stop, what are you doing?
And in his fridge, we have
What are you doing?
Patriots Choice
Huh?
drinking water.
Those balls!
It's American.
Loch Ness Monster balls!
Some Tabasco Milaheni. I'm not a big fan of Tabasco sauce,
This is tobacco.
but let's see if it has an expiration date.
This is tobacco. Gotta smoke the, do the
It
thing. That's tobacco.
doesn't. So,
Looks like it doesn't. Keep it in the fridge.
and he has some black pepper and some salt. I don't know why you put that in the fridge, but
Seriously, why is that in the fridge?
that's Cole's fridge. Thank you.